The next question I ask is, like, yeah, so
I loved it from the instant we got onto the bike.
Join Chasing 299.
Hey there guys, thanks for watching the video. In today's video we're installing 4 items, including the black and gold Pazzo levers, the black tarmac bar and mirrors, the Yamaha logoed mirror stops, and the black and gold tank pad. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Watch to the end, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys soon.
As well, it makes things a little interesting. There we go, guys. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. There we go. And there's the clutch lever. Cool, man, and we get a couple of shots of that as we're going forward. Absolutely fantastic. They come with bar end mounts, and there we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys and girls. You know, that's our little surprise. That's my little surprise. Put those mirror plugs in. I mean, it looks like they've come out pretty good, eh? Ladies and gentlemen, there we go. This is the tank MT10 tank pad we put on right in the beginning of the build. That's still cooked. Putting on our tank pad after we've done the mirrors and the levers.
You happy?
Now it looks like a project bike.
So guys, levers, mirrors, all done. They look absolutely amazing. We'll rotate here to the tank pad. It looks so good. You guys might not be able to see it, but that is a super reflective gold like strip around it. It looks so good. But the biggest difference are these amazing levers and mirrors. Dad, so you've recently had your levers and mirrors replaced with some aftermarket ones. What do you think of them?
It's a must. I love them. I love the levers. I love the mirrors. They're good. They're good quality too.
Right. So in particular, what do you find best about the levers?
Levers, of course, we've fitted Pazzo levers. The shorty levers are good, and for my riding style, they're easy and ergonomical to pull and guide. It's just being a little bike.
And the mirrors?
Mirrors, something to get used to. You know, from the stock standard mirrors and the positioning. Obviously, it is all changed up, and it's like everything else new on the bike. You just have to get used to it.
So Dad, what do you find the best about the tank pad? Obviously it looks really good.
Oh mate, the gold for me was the standout feature. It's a little bit thinner than the factory Yamaha one.
Yeah, because it's not made of gel.
It's not made out of gel, but it's tougher and it's harder and it's more durable. So the wear off your zip would be an advantage there, I reckon.
So guys, we look kind of similar now, but overall the Daz bike is the project bike. Looks a lot better than mine. But guys, thank you very much for watching the video, and hopefully we'll have some great more parts to put in. Dad?
Yeah guys, thank you very much for your positive and your negative comments on the videos. Please do not hesitate to comment and put your input. This is a build, this is a community build. You know, we want you to be part of it. Hey Storm?
Yeah, we definitely want to thank all of our patrons for all of their support. Guys, it's not too late to get involved. We have a couple of bikes that we're looking at and lining up for their next build. If you want to be a part of that discussion, go look at our videos at patreon.com/chasing299. There you'll find all of our information, or you can check in the links in the description below. There are all of our links to Patreon, Facebook, and all of our other social medias. To be a part of that build, you'll need to be a part of the patronage. So guys, please go check out our Patreon page, and yeah, we'd like to take this time to thank all of our patrons. And guys, especially patrons, go check out our Patreon page. There are a bunch of cool new changes. Each tier has their own image now, so you can go and take a look at that. Thanks guys, keep chasing.
299.